Hello, hello. My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Before we get into this video, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. Shout out, shout out, shout out Mondays. Shout out, shout out, shout out Mondays. Let's get into this video. Come on. How is everyone doing out there today? Are you all doing great today? Happy Monday. Shout out Monday. Push this hair back. Okay, so what we have here, guys, we have our Fir Needle shower steamers. Okay, they smell really good. So we are, as you can see, I have already sealed them. So our process today will be packaging and labeling, okay? So let's put this here over to the side. I have my bag, have the clear bags. I have the labels, front, with the ingredients in the back. Everything is listed. I have some ribbon. All right, so let's get into this. How's everyone doing today on this beautiful Monday? January is rolling out as well, isn't it? I tell you. January is rolling out. So we are almost done with our shower steamer series, okay? I hope you enjoyed it. I thank you so much for helping me stock my Etsy shop. So this is what I do, guys. I've been doing this since 2014. So except for the only thing is different is now that I take my phone and I record it. That's the only thing different. But regardless whether I was recording or not, I still would be making my products to list into my Etsy shop. So I'm just happy now I have it in memory. Okay, so it's in the bag, twisted a couple of times. I take my tag with the label on it. I place it in front or in back, it doesn't matter. I place it down on the table so I have some type of support. And I'm holding it with my finger. You know you can use any ribbon you like. I tie it first, then I bring it to the front. I tie it in the bow, leave it as such. With my scissors here, I have my scissors, and I cut off all that excess top. You can cut it off as long or as short as you like. And there we go. So let me read it. It says, Fir Needle Shower Steamer, All Natural Aromatherapy with Fir Needle Essential Oil. Ingredients: baking soda, citric acid, witch hazel or water, essential oil or fragrant oil. Caution, shower use only. Okay? All right, we'll do one more. Let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is, treat yourself. I know you went all out for the holidays, and it's all about the giving. But this time around, coming up, it's time for you to treat yourself, okay? Just treat yourself so you can feel better and feel good about yourself. You can't take care of anyone else if you can't treat yourself and take care of yourself, okay? So that's very important. So treat yourself. Do something just for you, okay? Buy something just for you and no one else. All right, cut that excess off. And there you go. So we put the label in the back that time. All right. We'll do one more, and then I'll play some music for you. so you don't have to listen to me. All right, fold it in the back. I twist it a couple of times. Here's my label. Have some support on the table. And I twist. So what should we do next? I was thinking about, since we're dealing with the baking soda and citric acid, that we'll go ahead on and do the bath bombs. And we'll talk about bath bombs and, you know, think we should work on some bath bombs next. What do y'all think? Would you like for me to show you how I make my bath bombs? And what goes into them? We can do that. I believe that's what we're going to do. This weekend, I'll do the planning, okay? And find out. All right, let's get some music. Remember, the quote of today is treat yourself. Treat yourself, okay? Fir Needle, all packaged and ready to go. Placed into my Etsy shop, Glennceria Loving Hands. They will be placed there today. Mwah. Love you. See you in the next video, where we will be doing our final video, I believe, on shower steamers. We will be packaging and labeling Heavenly Lavender, which is, of course, lavender essential oil. Have a good day, guys. Love you much, and I see you in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day. Enjoy your Monday.